Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Wednesday, the 9th of July, 2025. So we'll start off with the synoptic then. So this is as of midnight last night. You can see it's nice and clear under the southern part of the country. There's this warm front that's showing up as of midnight. And actually, if I run that forward, it's sort of saying it's passing through us by midday today. But it's a very, very weak affair. There seems to be very little cloud on it that's going to cause us any issue, and we're going to be left in a very, very pleasant high pressure day. So if you look at the cloud then, so here's the cloud associated with that warm front. It's fizzling out as it comes further south, and I don't actually think we're going to see any cloud over here throughout the day, apart from cumulus, of course. And naturally, because of that, there's no rain forecast, and the predicted Met Office rain forecast is for nothing for us throughout the whole day. Okay, so the Odium TAF, 4 knots from northwest, 10k or more, few clouds at 4,000 feet. I like short TAFs, and the Farnborough one's the same. 3 knots from the southwest, few clouds at 4,500 feet. Spot winds are giving us today upper winds 290, 5 knots, and variable if we go further south. And windy is confirming that we have basically 2 knots northwesterly throughout the day. Local forecast again, max temperature about 25 degrees, winds from the west northwest, very good visibility, and the UV factor is going to remain high till around about what time that 4 o'clock today, so plenty of sun cream and hats please would be useful. GFS is giving us a max temperature of only 23 today, with a dew point down at 13. If you're outside the window looking north, very, very pleasant start to the day. There is some cloud you can see out there. I think it's just the remnants of that front, and it's not actually going to affect us here. And the temperature is steadily climbing now, 20 degrees, and a dew point down at 12. So top meteo then is indicating quite a reasonable day. Obviously, there's a south coast influence to stay away from, but when you get inland, they're talking 400, 500, 600 kilometers possible in almost any direction. Stay away from the coasts. And if I run through the predicted thermals for the day, then since 11 o'clock, they're talking about cumulus already. And when the cumulus starts, it's going to be high already. So like 4,500 feet as soon as it starts. So this is by 11 o'clock. And if I run that through, it's giving cumulus of, well, over 6,000 feet by 2 o'clock today. Quite a lot of blue further north, but I don't know that it'll be that bad necessarily, but certainly plenty of cumulus around. And that's going to be going on for quite a while, actually. So if I run this through, so this is at 7 o'clock this evening, they're still talking about sorbal cumulus north of Oxford, thereabouts. SkySight is giving a very, very similar view, although their predictive potential flight distance is a little bit less, and it's restricted more to the south coast on SkySight. I mean, it's still going to be good, but only not as good further north as top meteo is giving. Cumulus again from about 11:30, going right on until later. 5.5 knot type climbs to around about 6,000 feet. Very, very light winds all day. And the SkySight cross section is giving us a slow build up with cumulus from around about, it's saying here around about 2 o'clock. Top meteo is saying it's going to be a lot earlier, but it's going to be quite high when we get it with thermal strengths in excess of 5 knot average. So no Thames then, 24 is for this evening, no concern. 36 is paragliding at West Ilsley. They're winching up to 1,900 feet today. 44, there's paragliding at Buckland, surface to 2,400 feet. 46 is the live firing at Otmore. 48 is the usual danger area 129. 46 is Nibsfield Comp. And all this lot over here is all to do with the temporary danger area over the Severn Estuary. I doubt you guys will be going over the Severn Estuary, but if you do go that way, please have a good look at the NOTAMs. So operationally today then, cross section start off with Odium showing a lot more cumulus or type clouds earlier on then Skysight is giving, but this actually links in with what Top Meteo is saying. So good queue up to about 6,000 feet later on today. The wind very, very light, northwesterly. We have no movements reported so far. Light north winds, northwesterly winds all day. We're going to set up on runway 27, and it should be soarable from 10:30 with a cloud base mid-afternoon up to 6,000 feet. Got two K21s on the booking system with the instructor and students, a K13 on the booking system with the instructor and students, and two K21s on the 5-day course line. K21 on the casual list or a K13 if required, but we'll need an instructor, please, if there's one available. All two-seaters, all the remaining two-seaters are available and single-seaters are booked today. So we're going to set up on 27, wind south, aerotow north, usual ploy, take off on the grass, land both sides, wash at the end of the day, please. Reminder about the buggies. And the simulator is actually unserviceable at the moment. I haven't had an update on that. They were waiting parts to get that sorted out. So set up then, use standard 2-7 operation, south side for the winch. Club grid will be over to the north side as usual. Anything heavy that wants to go off the runway, no problems at all. Just drag yourself out and we'll launch you as fast as we can from the aerotow launch point out when you're ready to go. Otherwise, it's going to be a very, very good, albeit calm day. I'll see you out there shortly. Bye.